Well, if you're wondering about the work out here on Cedar Bonnet Island, I actually am not sure exactly what they're doing. They sure have cleared it right down to the bone. Hey, it's a nice view. I don't know how far out the bird observatory or the overlook's going to be, but there's plenty to see here. It's going to be fun to come here during thunderstorms in the summer. I'm not sure when it'll officially open. And I'm probably not supposed to be here, but I didn't see any no trespassing signs, but I'm getting the heck out right away.